Hello, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. This is the 2018 Dodge Durango. Stock number on this vehicle is 7130. Let's take a virtual video walk around and show you this Durango up close and personal, as opposed to looking at static photos. Take notice of the exterior condition going up the passenger side. No dings, no dents, no scrapes. Absolutely in flawless condition. We're going to take you around and show you the rear. Don't forget, warranty protection for life, oil changes for life. It's all part of Sunset Ford. You just get more. This vehicle has just over 13,000 miles. And making our way down the driver's side exterior, let's take a look at the interior. Third row seating, of course, leather interior, power windows, locks, cruise tilt. There's a beautiful moonroof. Easy access to all the controls up front as you're driving in comfort, style, and safety. So for more information on this Durango or any other vehicles in our inventory, give us a call, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet you in person and hopefully earn your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Scott Tanner saying, make it a great day.